Henry and Paul are neighbors, and they frequently see each other during their morning walk. And one morning, Henry runs into Paul. Paul's not looking so good. Henry says to Paul, "How come you're looking so down today, so dejected?" Paul says, "Henry, I'm in trouble. I need cash for the business. I've got no idea where I'm going to get it." And Henry says, "Man, am I glad to hear that, because I was thinking you were going to have to borrow it from me." I'm Coach John, and today I'm sharing the business owner's lament. You can see and hear the pain in Henry's voice. Generating revenue is the number one pain point for small business owners everywhere. Now understand that revenue is the result of marketing and sales to your ideal target. Get your value message in front of the right target and sales become much easier. It's not that hard, but you've got to do the work. The Apostle Paul wrote that whoever sows sparingly shall reap sparingly, and whoever sows generously will also reap generously. So you sow, shall you reap. That was hard. Here are the steps. Establish your ideal target. Don't skimp on this. Connect with your target. Find the media that works for that. Ask what they need and what they're trying to solve and what it means to them. And if you can solve the problem, present your solution. Make sure to answer any questions they have and close the sale. There's really a fairly simple process to follow. People like to buy things they need from people they like. And somewhere we find a way to overcomplicate and screw it all up by making it some kind of crazy thing. It's simply, what do you need? What are you trying to solve? Do I have it? Yes. Is it the right price? Yes. Next. You might say it's not that simple, but it kind of is, as long as you know the process. However, don't feel bad if you don't have or know the process. I've worked with more than one client that didn't even know there was such a thing as a sales process. Now, if you need a sales process or you're interested in learning a simple sales process, write Impact 7 in the comments below. We'll connect offline and I'll send you a copy of my Impact 7 sales process so that you can get your sales moving in the right direction. Before you leave, I'd love to hear from you. Scroll down, leave a comment, or share Impact 7. Cheers to your success.